Hello, America. This is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming back at you with some more wonderful information today. Today, I want to talk to you about my three top favorite user-friendly washers to use. And yes, I know that sounds funny, but what I'm talking about is all of the new modern technology. You've got millions and millions and millions of options and millions of choices when you go to program something. Personally, for me, that's a waste. So I came up with my top three. We're going to start here with the Amana. Okay, it's basically I've got water level, water temperature, and a few cycles. Really easy, really basic. I load and go. I'll put it to what I want, then I'll hit start. Okay, would be the Amana. The next would be probably the Maytag commercial. Okay, same basic. There isn't a whole lot to it. I've got what am I washing? I've got my water temperature, and this one has a couple extra options, but I don't worry about that. So basically, I have two buttons. I pick the one I want. I put my stuff in, select my water. I hit start, and I walk away. Now, these aren't like the old ones because these actually do have electronic boards in them, so they're not timers like the old one. And the third one would be the GE. Okay. And the GEs, this is a little more options, but it's still real user friendly. Okay. Basically, you pick your thing. You can pick your water levels on this. You pick your water temperature, and all of this I don't worry about, but it's actually not too thing. You can do two rinses. You can do an extra spin and rinse. But if you don't have to, you just leave these off, and then this is all you have to worry about. And this will light up for you, and it'll actually tell you where it's at in the cycle. But those are my three top choices for the easiest of customer use, or easiest for the customer to use without having to go to school to learn how to do it. What I mean by that is, you start looking at things like this. There's millions of options, and most all the front loaders have lots and lots and lots of options for you can do, which you can actually mess up your clothes. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and you all come back next week and have a wonderful time, and be safe out there, and make sure we keep our distance. Have a good day. Bye.